This is TJ with Robinhood Coins, and today we're doing another mail call. For today's mail call, we have a total of 8 packages and letters. And as always, if I have channel information for anyone that sent anything in, I will include that in the video description as well as a card throughout the video. So that way you can check out their channel and subscribe if you like their content. Well, me and my goofy little helpers are really excited to get into these and show you what we found. Alright, I figured we would go ahead and do the envelopes first. And so first off, we're going to do Elliot Mitchell. We're going to open this one up and see what we have here. We have one that says For Little Helper and one that says For Littlest Helper. So, Littlest Helper, Little Helper.
For Littlest
Ooh,
Helper.
I feel coins.
Yeah, I do too.
Cool. It's 1940 and also the 1961 Denver.
The 1961.
Thank you, Elliot Mitchell, for the letter and the pennies. I'm really excited to see your channel. Also, my favorite coin is an Indian head.
And my favorite coin is a wheat penny. And thank you for the letter and penny too. And I'm so excited to see your channel also.
Thank you very much, Elliot Mitchell. Really appreciate you sending it. The girls really enjoyed reading your letter. Alright, next is from Bucky's World. And we'll open it up and see.
I wonder what's in.
Me too.
Yeah, and I'll have to show you girls her channel. She has a YouTube channel.
She does?
Yep.
What? That's the tiniest thing ever.
Isn't that cool? We will show you the pathway to life, to abounding joy in your presence. Psalm 16:11. To Robinhood and family, celebrate the spirit of the season. Happy holidays, Bucky's World. And there it is. It's kind of like the Walking Liberty, huh?
It is.
Isn't that
It
cool?
is. It's the Walking Liberty.
That is cool.
It's a teeny little coin, and it's
That
a Walking Liberty.
Thank you very much, Bucky's World. I really appreciate it. I love this design. If you've watched our videos, you know this is one of my favorite designs. And this is just a great addition to our collection. Thank you so much. All right, next up, I think I know what channel this is from. Littlest Helper here is going to go ahead and open it up.
But the next one, I'm going to open it up.
Yep, it's from Oldies and Goodies. It's a sticker trade. He sent me his sticker, and I will be sending you our sticker, Oldies and Goodies, whenever we get them. It won't be very long. It'll be pretty soon. Lake House Beach has been making them for me. And he sent us a Christmas card.
It says, Thomas, Happy New Year's.
Christmas
Greeting.
Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year's.
Oldies and Goodies.
Oldies and goodies. And the baby showing its butt.
Well, thank you very much, Oldies and Goodies. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you too. All right, we got another package, and I don't know exactly who it's from, so we're going to open it up and see.
And a whole bag.
Okay.
Oh my gosh! Oh, these are S's.
What?
So this is actually from Adam, and he recently found his first W quarter and wanted to get one from all the mints. He also ordered some S Mint War in the Pacifics, and he sent us, me and the Little Helpers, and some for giveaways of the extra S Mint War in the Pacifics that he sent. And he also dropped some in circulation so that hopefully we can find them. So thank you very much, Adam. We really like these. We don't have the S Mint War in the Pacific, so that's very cool for the Little Helpers and my collection. And then we will give some away as giveaways. Alright, so the next package is from Making Milk, and I'll have my littlest helper open it up and see what we got.
We don't know. So,
I kind of have an idea because he told me what he was sending.
they're taped. First, let's read the letter. Yeah.
First, let's read the letter, she said.
It says,
The excitement in your voice.
The excitement in your voice when you find treasures. I hope these wheat cents find a home in your book. Coin collecting is a fun hobby, and I wish I could have gotten into it at a young age. My
Children.
Enjoy it with me as well.
My children enjoy it with me as well. Thanks, Making Milk. Well, thank you very much, Making Milk, and let's get into these.
Oh my gosh!
These are so much.
Oh, wow.
There's so many
1938, 1935.
Oh, 1930s. You guys need those for your books.
Yeah.
1920.
Anything else?
That was 1920.
Thank you, Making Milk, a very lot for these coins. We are so excited to put them in our collection books.
Thank you, Milk Kid,
Making Milk.
Making Milk, for the letter and also the coins. I love the 1919 and also the 1930s. Those are really cool.
This is very cool. Thank you very much, Making Milk. After we get done here, we're gonna put these in the folders, and then we'll show you what they look like. Thanks again. All right, so our next package is from CoinJack15, and I'm gonna have my little helper read the note.
Dear Robinhood Coins, I wanted you to send this little package to say thank you for the entertaining family content on your channel. Enclosed are a
Couple
goodies for you and 2 rolls of pennies for your little helpers to hunt.
One
for each. Keep up the great work.
CoinJack15. So go ahead and open it up.
See what this is.
Oh, these are brown ones. I don't think I've never seen any brown penny rolls.
Yeah.
I've only seen white.
So these are the ones that he was talking about. Robinhood Kids. One for each of you. And then this one has, yeah. So it has 09 pennies. So there are some 2009 pennies. There is a 1970s toned penny, which is cool. I like the extra toning. There's a Clover nickel, which is right here. And then there's also an 82 Denver zinc penny and a 1996 Australian half dollar.
That is so cool.
And you guys can hunt these, so you guys can open them up and see all the cool stuff in there. Look at the ender of this one. What is that?
It's a weedy.
They're both wheat.
Thank you very much, CoinJack15. Really appreciate it. These are some really cool stuff to add to our collection. And it's going to be fun watching the girls hunt these.
And thank you for all of this stuff.
Yeah.
We love it.
Yeah, we love it so much. Thank you.
And these
Thanks again. All right, our next package is from Big Mill Hunt Silver. And so let's see what it is. We have some, what is that?
the channel stickers.
Yeah, we have some channel stickers. And when we get ours, we'll be sure to send them to you. Send you some, Big Mill.
I'm pretty sure. I think there's 4.
There's
Oh
one.
yeah,
Oh, there's 2 channel stickers.
they're different, huh?
Yeah. And there's
3 of each.
So there's one for each of us.
And then
All right. Hello, TJ. My name is Big Mill. JW said you and your kids were putting a book together, so I wanted to send a little something. Hope you enjoy, Big Mill. I just found your channel. Awesome stuff. I also saw you on a live stream box battle with Rob and Ravenhawk Coins and Silver Seeker. That was good stuff. So let's check this out.
I wonder what's in here. What? Ooh!
Ooh, these are the pennies for the album.
1969S and a 1969S. Two 1969S's.
Very cool.
Yeah,
So
that's mine.
those are for our penny albums, and then this is a 2008 San Francisco S-Proof.
That's cool.
Very cool. This is probably the nicest S-Proof dime that I have. Thank you very much.
We love these stickers.
And thank you for these pennies. And channel stickers.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks again for everything, Big Mill. Really appreciate it and really enjoy your channel. Everyone, please check out his channel. I'll put a card right up here. All right, so our last package is from JW's Coins and Hobbies. And let's see what it is. It's your turn to open it up.
There's this.
What?
Looks like it's a letter, probably.
With a roll.
Oh, some more pennies for our collection.
Yeah.
What are they?
There. 1960. And I don't know what the other one is.
Oh, wow. And this one says,
The middle one.
D over D. So this one's an error.
Over D.
It has a mint mark that's over the other mint mark.
And let's see what the middle one is and also the back one is. Ooh!
Oh, wow. Look at that one. It's a war nickel, but look how shiny that war nickel is.
Ooh.
And let's see what.
All right, let's see what he says.
It says, while watching your penny hunt videos and sorting 40 of copper cents, I put these together to give to you and the little helpers. I also handed a nice war nickel and two 1960D
RPM.
pennies for your collection. Thank you for your support of my channel.
Thank you very much, JW. I really appreciate it. This is going to be really cool to check out under the scope. That is awesome. And they're in like BU condition. That is great. This war nickel is the best condition war nickel we would have. Holy cow, I've never seen them this nice. And it'll be fun having the girls hunt through this roll of pennies right here. This is going to be fun.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for all of the pennies and the nickel. And also the roll and the letter.
Yeah, thank you a lot. We love all of them.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, everyone. We love all of our coins. And thank you a lot.
We love the channel stickers, the coins, everything that you guys sent us. We love it all.
Thank you everyone for everything you sent. We really appreciate it. And we wish you and everyone watching a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. And everyone that's watching, be sure to check out all the channel links in the video description below, as well as the cards that are linked in the top throughout the video. Check out these channels. If you like their content, subscribe, show them some love. It's a great community we have here. Thanks everyone again. So for today's video, we are going to have 2 Robinhood coins giveaways. So 2 people that comment on this video are going to win. Each person is going to win a San Francisco NIFC War in the Pacific quarter. Very cool. Thanks to Adam. Really appreciate you sending those for our collection and sending extras for the giveaway. As well as a 1971 proof Ike dollar. These are 40% silver, and I checked and that's 0.3 troy ounces worth of silver. Just a hefty coin, so even 40% is a good amount of silver. As always, to enter the giveaway, just comment on the video, and we'll use a random comment picker to pick the winner. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a lot of fun. Thank you guys so much. Such a generous community. Really appreciate it. If you did, smash that like button. If you like our content, hit subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos or giveaways. And we will see you on the next hunt.